this is my last video for today. I'm going to do garlic, honey, and ginger cough suppressant. It'll also help with a sore throat or a tickle in your throat, something for when you're sick. So I know you're probably supposed to use glass, but this is all I had, to put this in right now. It's an old medicine bottle. I sterilized it first, of course. I've got my ginger root. Again, I had to peel and chop mine. I couldn't shred it or whatever because I don't have a grater. Is that what it's called? I don't know. I don't have a grater, so I had to chop it up. Basically, I'm going to do this by sight because I'm really not too sure. This is the first time I've done this type of deal. I usually just use the garlic and honey, and it seems to help. It also helps cough stuff up. If you've got a little bit of chest cold going, it does help. So the recipe calls for 2 cloves of garlic. I've got minced garlic here, and a half teaspoon of minced garlic equals 1 clove. So I've got it equals out to 4 cloves here. And then I've got ground cloves, and you'll need a teaspoon of that. So I'm going to use my tablespoon deal here. I'm probably going to put 3 tablespoons worth. There's 1. There's 2. There's 3. Whoa. Okay, here's the garlic. And again, I'm probably doing a huge no-no, but I'll transfer this once I get a clean jar. Ooh, it looks like it might be too full. Let's kind of smash this down a little bit. I wish I had a mortar and pestle, but I don't yet. That's the next thing on my wish list is a mortar and pestle. Because I really want to do the healing magics. Like a kitchen witch. Okay. I think that's about as good as it's going to get. Take this little thingy off here. One teaspoon. And that's not going to fit. So, I guess I'll have to use the half. 1, 2 to make a whole teaspoon. And again, I'm going to use the sous vide clover honey. Oh, good Lord. Chimney. Okay. Now we're going to pour the honey in. I got a knife here so we can kind of squish it down in there and really get it mixed. You can also, if you're the kind of person that likes a little bit of heat with yours, you can also add a teaspoon or more of ground cayenne pepper. Like I said, my grandpa was the type of gentleman who liked his pepper. I was telling my boyfriend the other day that, my grandpa was from the South. He's from Kentucky, and they couldn't afford to go to the doctor like we do. Came from like a family of 15 children. Yeah. Oh Lord, I felt sorry for that woman. Anyway, and then a lot of the herbal remedies is what they used because they couldn't afford to go to the doctor like we do nowadays. And anyways, his big thing was stringing. I don't know what type of pepper anymore. I'll have to ask my momster, but he used to string pepper on a red string. What the red string's all about, I have no clue. Do not ask me. But they would string them up, and he would make his own hot sauce. And he put hot sauce on everything. And if he didn't have his homemade hot sauce, he liked the red hot stuff. The Louisiana hot sauce, something like that. Anyway, he was always trying to give it to us kids. And he always said, if you got a cold, you got the sniffles, your nose is plugged up, here's some pepper. It'll knock it out of you. So, but we're not putting cayenne in this mixture. Bit of a mess. That's okay. And this is what it looks like. I don't know. I'm not sure if you can see that really good. Kind of icky. But there you go. And you let it steep for about 2 weeks. And keep it in the refrigerator. Keep it covered. And you don't have to eat the chunks. The garlic really doesn't bother me any. I don't know about y'all. The ginger, however, I would not eat. It is totally gross. I thought I would be smart and take a bite of it. And yeah, it didn't taste all that great. That was pretty gross. So, I just kind of avoid eating those. But the syrup, amazing. It really helps with the cough. Kind of soothes your throat. And that's all I got for today. Pretty sure in a couple of days I'll probably be doing the cinnamon and honey paste. Really easy stuff, but hope y'all have a great Thursday. And I hope y'all have a really nice weekend as well. Talk to you later. Bye.